Okay, what's up everybody? I just woke up. We've got not a busy day today, but we've got some stuff to do. I'll take you with me and I'll show you what I get up to on a day-to-day basis. Hey, what's up everyone? We're just here. We're at the Roydlish Gym Academy and we're about to get a little session in today. So I like to start my day right. It's about 9 in the morning and yeah, this is how we're gonna start the day. So I'm just waiting on my trainer Taz. He's a very close friend of mine and he's also my personal trainer. So it's always good to have a trainer to push you because sometimes I'm guilty of slacking.
What's up? My name's Taz. I'm training my boy Luigi today, so let's get it.
Yes, people, what are we saying? It's Roydlish Studio, it's your main man Carl. Roydlish Studio is where it's at. We've got bodybuilding, powerlifting, MMA, kickboxing, you name it, we can do it down here. Search it on the gram, search it on Facebook. This is where the place is to be right now in Nottingham. Let me know something.
Okay, so we've just finished the workout. We're just gonna go home, get a shower, get some food, and then head over to the 5-bed to 6-bed HMO conversion. So I'll see you there. So if you follow me into the kitchen. Okay, so as you can see, we have Gaz over here working, and we actually have a lot of progress that's been made while Gaz has boarded it all up, and we're just currently getting it all ready to be prepped for the kitchen to be installed. If you see these door frames, these are all coming out. So I've got my guy in here prepping the door frames to be taken out, and yeah, it should be pretty good. I'll show you outside. In here, the bathroom's going to be installed literally tomorrow.
I'd like to put some struts down.
Yeah.
To stop it moving.
So we
way.
need this area free, basically.
We need this area free,
yeah,
otherwise
sounds.
it's going to stop me from bloody.
So what I'll do is I'll get the
doing what
skip.
I've got to do.
I'll order the skip now. Hello there. I was just wondering if I'll be able to book a skip, please.
We're booking it for Monday next week.
Monday next week. Is there anything sooner, like one of those pickup ones? So right, we're just currently paying for a skip because we've got so much rubbish outside that we need to get it removed. So I'm about to pay for a skip to get it all taken out, so the guys can crack on really.
Is this the best number to contact you on the day?
Yeah. All these windows are getting taken out, so we just need to pay for the windows, but we can't get hold of the window people. But yeah. Also, I've just made an offer. Alright, okay, so the next step for us, we've got to go to IKEA to go pick up some bed slats. I know it sounds stupid, but you can't order them online for some reason. Try to call them. I'm just gonna go in, get my bed slats and come back home. But yeah, this is this room here, we've just patched it all up. We've not like plastered this at all. We just literally patched it up because it's fine. The walls are pretty smooth, so we're going to be plastering all of this. I'm on hold again. Everyone loves to put me on hold. It's like whenever I jump on a call, they just think, yeah, Luigi, let's get him on hold.
Yeah, man, good. It's pretty alright.
Okay, so we're just at IKEA today. One of the rooms in one of the properties is a bit run down, so we're just in the process of doing it up. Okay, also today what's happened is I've put an offer in on a property subject to planning permission. So I've put an offer in for full asking price. It's actually £5,000 more than the asking price, and that's subject to the planning being approved on it. So basically it's a bungalow and I want to add on a large extension on the back, and I'm just waiting to hear back from the seller to see if he says it's okay. He's asked me to get pre-approval for the planning application as a condition of the purchase, and I've said yeah, that's fine. So basically I'm just waiting to hear back from him, but hopefully that one does go through, the planning gets approved and the purchase goes through smoothly, because it'll be very profitable. Basically double the house, the whole value of the property. So buying it for 230, get development finance on it to do the extension, and it should be worth over 400k when done. That's if we get the planning approved. So fingers crossed. Super exciting, super nervous, but you know what, it's part of the game. I have to put down, because it'll be a buy to let, rather than if it's in your personal name you can do a residential, which is usually 5 or 10%. So if you're doing it in your personal name, you can do residential buy, where you buy something to live in, and then rent out the spare rooms, refinance it, remortgage it. Yeah, at least 5 hot dogs. At least 5.
And down, and down, and down.
Okay, so in this room here, painted the whole room. We've got the picture relaid. We've got a nice plan. We've got a new mattress. We're gonna put the bed, or what's it called, lamp, and this wardrobe. So yeah. Yeah. Progress.
Oh, let's stand it up.
I think it's this way, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Oh, man.
Is it?
Yeah, because I've got the handles here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Live. So one thing I really like to do is whenever someone moves out of one of the rooms, I like to try and update the room. So if that means me spending £400 or £500 on updating the room, then I'll do it, just because it pays off in the long run. Because the thing is, if you have a happy tenant, you have a happy life, because you won't get as much stress, you won't get as much calls, and people will be more happy about what they're actually paying for. So I like to have my tenants as a bit of a customer experience. So from the moment they take on the room, they basically just feel happy to live here. So that's kind of what I go for. And as you can see, we go for the nice high level rooms and nothing crazy. The furniture in here probably costs about £400-500, so nothing crazy at all. But if you do want to get involved in HMOs or properties and property investing, then feel free to drop me a message. I'm always happy to help. Obviously I'm very busy, but I do offer mentorship and that type of thing. So get in contact and I'd love to help you out.